Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing this snack box, 22 count. This is Korean also. Here's the Dagaon right here. Dagaon. I'm stupid, I don't know how to pronounce it. I got this from Amazon. This is the brand name. Let's check it out. This was $27. Let's see what they have in here and if it's worth it. Okay. More coffee. Then some tea, green tea. Okay, nice. Little pack. Some rice cookie thingies. Nice. Okay. White ham, white hazelnut. Nice. Okay, cool. Seems like little wafers, like little cookies. Okay, this is Ace something. I don't know. I can't read Korean. Simple package, but it's just the only thing in English. It doesn't show flavor. This is some sort of soft cookie. Nice. Drink. Demi soda. Green apple. Nice. Sealed. It should be good for a while, I think. Nice drink. Some jelly. Fruit jelly. Nice. Another green apple cookie. Or apple cookie. Nice. Another cookie. Soft cake. Nice. Okay, good. Rice. Something. I guess it's savory. Okay. Sweet. Another cookie. White. So I guess some white chocolate. Choco pie. Nice. And all these. I guess strawberry chips. Interesting. Let's see. Another, this is cream biscuits, cookies, biscuit, peanut sand. Okay, peanut sand. Another, you can see here, it's kind of cookie. I got some jelly in the middle. Flavor, apple. Some chips, chocolate corn. Okay, get more chips than usual. Oh, noodles. Nice. I wanted some of these. Nice. Jinjang noodles. Okay, cool. Oh, more noodles. Shin noodle soup. Oh, nice. Okay. So that's good. So that's all you get with the Dagaon Delightful Korean Snack Box, 22 counts. Again, this was $27. You get a nice amount of things for sure. Yeah, cookies. You get the noodles look pretty good. Bunch of snacks, cookies, some jelly, drink. Not bad. Coffee and tea. Rice cookies. Soft cookies, wafers. Nice, not bad. Everything looks new. Nothing looks open. The packaging is good, so nice. Definitely worth the $27. Now, just have to try all these. I want to try the noodles. That look good. Thanks for watching, and talk to you next time.